Samsung has finally started rolling out the stable One UI 8.5 update for the Galaxy S24 series, and this is one of the biggest software upgrades Samsung users have been waiting for. After months of beta testing and leaks, the update is now officially going live, bringing several new Galaxy AI features, smoother animations, better performance, and a more polished experience to Samsung's 2024 flagship phones. The Galaxy S24, Galaxy S24 Plus, and Galaxy S24 Ultra are now joining Samsung's latest software generation, which first debuted earlier this year with the Galaxy S26 lineup. And even though the Galaxy S24 series is already a powerful flagship lineup, this new update is designed to make these phones feel even smarter and more refined. Samsung officially started the stable rollout on May 6th in South Korea. Users there have already started receiving the new firmware update on their devices. According to Samsung, the rollout will continue expanding gradually to more countries over the next few days and weeks. Regions expected to receive the update include India, Europe, North America, Southeast Asia, and Latin America. This rollout is especially important because Samsung spent a long time testing One UI 8.5 before releasing the stable version. The company first launched the beta program for the Galaxy S25 lineup and later expanded testing to the Galaxy S24 series back in March. Since then, multiple beta builds were released to fix bugs, improve stability, and optimize the overall experience. And now, Samsung finally seems confident enough to push the stable firmware to millions of Galaxy S24 users around the world. But here's the interesting part. One UI 8.5 is not just another small maintenance update with a few bug fixes. Samsung is actually bringing several new Galaxy AI features from the Galaxy S26 series directly to older flagship devices. That means Galaxy S24 users are getting access to smarter tools and software improvements that were originally introduced on Samsung's newest phones. This is something Samsung has been doing more aggressively lately. Instead of keeping major software features exclusive to new flagships, the company is now bringing many premium AI features to older devices as well. And honestly, that is great news for Galaxy S24 users because it extends the life of the phone and makes it feel newer without needing a hardware upgrade. The update also focuses heavily on system smoothness and optimization. Users running the beta version are already reporting that animations feel more fluid, multitasking performance is more stable, and battery optimization has improved compared to earlier beta builds. Samsung has also refined the overall interface experience. Small visual changes across the UI make the software look cleaner and more polished. Transitions appear smoother, app opening animations feel faster, and system navigation looks more responsive than before. For users who already installed the One UI 8.5 beta, the stable firmware is arriving as a smaller incremental patch update. Samsung is rolling out the DZDP firmware build to beta testers, and since most of the files were already installed through previous beta versions, the final update package is relatively smaller. However, users who skipped the beta program and stayed on stable One UI 8.0 will receive a much larger OTA update package. In South Korea, the stable firmware reportedly weighs around 4.5 gigabytes for users upgrading directly from the previous stable version. That is a pretty large update size, but it makes sense considering this update includes new AI features, system-level optimizations, security improvements, and several visual enhancements. Now, if the update has not appeared on the device yet, there is no need to panic. Samsung always rolls out firmware updates in phases. Availability depends on region, carrier, and device variant. Some users may receive the update immediately, while others could wait a few more days before it becomes available. To manually check for the update, users can simply open Settings, go to Software Update, and tap Download and Install. If the update is available for the device, it should appear there automatically. Another reason why this update is getting attention is because One UI 8.5 is expected to act as a bridge between Samsung's current software experience and the future One UI 9 update based on Android 17. Samsung has already been accelerating software development recently, and reports suggest the company wants to deliver future Android updates much faster than before. This means Galaxy S24 users could continue receiving major software support earlier and more consistently in the future. Samsung's software strategy has changed a lot over the last few years. Earlier, Samsung phones were criticized for slow updates and delayed software support. But now, Samsung is actually becoming one of the fastest Android brands when it comes to delivering new Android versions and long-term software updates. And with One UI 8.5, Samsung seems to be focusing not only on new features, but also on stability and refinement. Instead of adding random flashy changes, the company is improving the overall user experience in areas people actually notice every single day. That includes smoother scrolling, better RAM management, improved thermal optimization, enhanced battery efficiency, and smarter Galaxy AI integration throughout the system. For Galaxy S24 users, this update could easily make the phone feel fresh again. And honestly, this is exactly why software updates matter so much today. Modern smartphones are already extremely powerful, so the real difference now comes from software optimization, AI features, and overall user experience. Samsung clearly understands that, and One UI 8.5 is another example of the company pushing its software ecosystem forward. Now the big question is how users around the world will react once the update reaches more regions. Early impressions from beta users have mostly been positive, but the global rollout will reveal how stable the software really is on different carrier models and regional variants. One thing is clear though, Samsung is taking the Galaxy AI experience very seriously, and the Galaxy S24 series is now becoming even more powerful with the stable One UI 8.5 update finally arriving. So, has the One UI 8.5 update arrived on the Galaxy S24 device yet? And what feature looks the most exciting in this new update? Share thoughts in the comments below, and if more Samsung updates, leaks, and One UI news are interesting, make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so future videos never get missed.